By the way guys, my name's Kevin. Welcome back to another fishing mission. As you can see, we're just passing La Torre, the lighthouse. Beautiful old lighthouse, very historic here in Coruña, northern Spain. And we are making our way to the main beach, Riazor. It's right in front of us. We're going to walk along to a spot where I've seen some other guys fish, and hopefully we can land that dinosaur sargo that we're after. Let's see how it goes. It's all about the mission. It's all about having fun, getting outside. So if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. If not, just enjoy the video. Alright, we're on foot from here. We have made it not to the spot where I want to fish, but it just looks so good that I can't help myself. I'm quickly going to tie on a little paddle tail and I'm going to flick it out over here just to see if there's anything around there. Got a Daiwa Crossfire 3000 reel with some 15-pound braid on it. What is this? A combo 70-gram little paddle tail. That looks pretty good. The bag is staying on our back. Let's get down there. First cast. Nothing on the first cast, that's all right. Nothing going at this spot. Sun has risen, but we're gonna move along and we're gonna keep going. The search for the giant sargo continues. Oh man, I should have gone along the road. This is a crazy hike. One-handed. Oof. That is what we're looking for. Okay, we gotta keep our eyes on that swell. Oh yes, we got a fish, we got a fish, we got a fish. Oh man, oh man, no ways. Don't tell me it's a damn wrasse over here with the spinner. No ways, no ways. Look at that. And look at how this guy munched that little swim bait, that little paddle tail. He's a nice little wrasse. All right, buddy. Thank you. First fish of the morning. It's not a... It's definitely not a giant. Thank you for playing, buddy. Thank you for playing. I think it's time to retire this little paddle tail. And let's get on some sardine, a bobber, and go for that giant sargo. We are reset. We've got a big bobber that we can slide on our main line down to our leader, to 3 split shot down to a tiny little treble. Then we're going to put on some of this sardine. Alright, that's the bait, nice and small. Put our packet on top there so that the seagulls don't get it. We're just going to go right out in front of us. See if that brings anything. There are spear fishermen all around. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It means there's fish around. Otherwise, why would they be here? So right now we are on the change of tide. Hopefully that turns the bite on. Now already 10 o'clock in the morning, so it's been pretty late. It's been a good 3 hours. And only that one wrasse on the paddle tail, right here in front of me. So crazy. Now we got a big chunk of sardine. It's down at about 2 meters. I cannot see how that's not gonna get a fish. All right, the bobber is going down. I don't know if that's might be hooked on the bottom. I think we hooked on the bottom. Yep. Oh no. Well, we caught something. Take a look at that. We caught a starfish. So we caught ourselves a beautiful little starfish. Now he wasn't munching on the bait. I'm guessing he was just along the bottom and we kind of hooked into him, so let's get him off. There we go. You can kind of see that he's lost an arm somewhere in the past and it's started to grow back. All right, buddy, let's get you back in the water. Well guys, I must say the hunt for the giant sargo is a difficult one. We've gone through all our baits. We've got this last little worm that we're going to try, and then I might go back to a paddle tail and see, or even like a little camo worm or something around these rocks. That could work. Tied on a little jig head, and we're going to use these 6-inch camo worms. These things are, yeah, they smell pretty good. Now they are quite long, so I might just break off half. Okay, and now that looks pretty good. Let's toss this around and see if we can pick up anything. Oh man. Okay, we definitely got a bite there. Woo, 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 woo. There's no shortage of sea anemones or sea urchins. This place is absolutely jam-packed full of them. They are in every single little crevice. Well, I must say, I have no idea what these fish want to eat. I've tried sardines, I've tried worms, I've tried garlic chicken. We had success on the paddle tail with a little wrasse, and we had one big take on the 2-inch camo worm right at the end with a little jig head. But other than that, nothing. I'm starting to think that I'm cursed with these damn sargo. But I've caught one before. I've caught quite a few before in my previous videos as well. It's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.